Ingles A2 task for left taking short speaking stat. Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Escorcia. I am 20 years alive to read and listen to music in my free time. I live in Chibolo, Magdalena with my parents. I study business administration at the UNAD University. I wipe prison to lemon dessert recipe. I would like to make presentation in two categories: ingredients, recipe. Lemon dessert ingredients. Lemon dessert ingredients: saltine, cracker, condensed milk cream, served with of 3 lemon. Prescription: to start milk that ingredients with them have with the condensed milk together with the cream and the lemon twist into one ingredient. Then for the leg of that dessert place a leg of sardine biscuits of dan baran of refractory onions, a pour of that mixture. Prepare in step 1 on start rapid. This procedure until you finish the biscuit and the mixture. Lastly, sprinkle the lemon zest and start put the mold in the fridge and refrigerate for 5 minutes. After the waiting time, it offers the mold from the fridge and serve that delicious dessert. Thank you.